We nominated Rhys for this award because we felt that Rhys always puts everyone before himself. Literally anything you ask Rhys to do and he will try his hardest to do it for you. Rhys is supportive, he's so helpful, he's so laid back that you've never got to worry about him being stressful about anything.
Rhys is an absolute asset to West 2. He'll do anything for anyone. He's such a team player. I don't think any of us really know where we'd be without him. He'll do anything for you, not just as a kiosk, but a friend as well.
I believe to be a good youth worker, you need to possess passion, empathy, and an attitude to fight for the rights of young people. And I believe that Rhys possesses all of these qualities. He's a staff member who we can rely on, and that is consistent with his approach.
Rhys will literally put anyone before himself. There's no problem too big for Rhys. He will literally do anything for anyone. That's why I call him the people's kiosk. So we just felt that Rhys really deserved recognition for being just an all-round fab person and a fab colleague to work with. Good luck.
Rhys, I really think you deserve this award. Good luck, buddy.
Congratulations, Rhys. You're a brilliant youth worker and amazing line manager.
Diolch am bopeth, Rhys, and yeah, awesome working with you.
Congratulations, Rhys!
I look forward to Thursdays because I like talking about you and cooking.
Well done, Rhys. Thank you for being a good youth worker.
Congratulations, Rhys. You deserve this, but the only bad thing is your jokes. They're awful.